This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopar, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Then, editing handles will appear at each corner and the center of each edge as shown in the image. The objective is actually to resize the shape to create a 30 mm by 30 mm board. The coarse visible grid is 25 mm, 5 times the snap grid, and the fine visible grid is 5 mm. Now this can be used as a guide. You can now either slide the upper edge down and slide the right edge to the left to create the correct size, or move three of these corners in, leaving the one that is at the origin in its current location. And then next, to slide the upper edge down, position the cursor over the edge, but not over a handle. When the cursor changes to a double-headed arrow, click and hold, then drag the edge to the new location so that the Y cursor location is 30 mm on the status bar as shown in this image. Next step, repeat the process to move the right hand edge in, positioning it when the X cursor location is 30 mm on the status bar. Then next, click anywhere in the design space to drop out of board shape editing mode. Then press 2 shortcut to switch back to 2D layout mode. Then, now that the shape has been defined, you can set the grid to a value suitable for component placement. For example, 1 mm. Grids will be discussed later on. And then lastly, save the board locally.